iPhone nowadays is very famous gadget that have been used by all people, especially students. iPhone is a product from Apple company which is from United States. The price of iPhone is very expensive and the range of its price is $231 to $1,288.
Okay, in this project, the problem statements that we have is students are too obsessed to own an iPhone until they use their own money, although it's expensive. For the second one, the price of iPhone sold in current market is very high compared to cost of making it.
Next, in order to solve the problem that we have, we need to find why Apple sell their iPhone at high price and relate it with quantity of iPhone should Apple produce in order to optimize their profit. And second one, we need to calculate the rate of price drop of an iPhone 6s sold in 2018. Okay, now I want to present to you about on how I solve about the problem statement number 1. Okay, here we can see this is the revenue function as a function of x, which is we assume that the wholesaler will buy an iPhone at price $540, as many as they want. So here we came up with revenue function of x. Cx is the cost function of x. Then the px is the profit function of x. So to find the optimization, we must plug in we make the main function of x, which is px equal to rx minus cx, and then we plug in the value of Rx and Cx until we got the finalize this one, and then we differentiate the profit of x until we got negative 3x squared plus 12x and 5 to 5x, and then we must equalize after we differentiate the px, we must equalize it with 0. And then we will get the quadratic equation. So when we get the quadratic equation, we must find the critical point by using the calculator, or if you want to use formula, you can use the formula. So here I got critical point negative 11.379, and second one is x, which is 15.379. So here, to find the maximum and minimum point of optimization here, we must use the second derivative test, which is here p prime x, which is I got negative 6x plus 12. So I plug in the first critical point that I get, which is negative 11.379. So the value will be positive 80.274. So it means it is the minimum point. As you can see, the graph will be like this if we plug in into the graph. And then we plug in the second x, value of x, which is 15.379. So after I plug in the value of x, which is 15.379, I got negative 80.274, which is we can know it is minimum point because it lower than 0. The graph will be like this, we call set. And the last one, we want to find the optimization of profit that Apple want to make. So we use the maximum point here. So we take x equal to 15.379, and we substitute it into the initial equation of px, which is here. So after we plug in, we get the answer 58.55.71. So we got here the answer is 5X55.01, which means when Apple produced 15,375 unit of iPhone, so the profit that they will get is 5,855.71,000 profit. So that's all from me for the first problem statement. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I will explain to you about the related rates for the iPhone, for the price drop for iPhone 6s. Okay, first we state the price, which is $540 per unit. Then we take the time for the price to drop, which is 1 month. Okay, then we use the equation Q, which quantity equals to 200E, power of negative 0.01P. Okay, then we differentiate the quantity bought by the students with time. Okay, then we will get 2 units per month. Negative here means that the iPhone sold in a month reduced by 2. Okay, then we differentiate. Then we differentiate the dp over dt here. Okay, as you can see, 1 times dq over dt equals to 200. Then we differentiate this equation, dq dt, dq dp, which will get 200 times negative 0.01 e power of negative 0.01 p times by dp over dt. Here we got negative 2 equals to negative 2e power of negative 1. Here negative 1. Okay, negative 1 times dp over dt. Then we change the dp over dt to be the subject. Okay, then we got dp over dt equals to 1 over e power of negative 1. Then dp over dt, this e here, we can bring it to the numerator. Okay, then we got e dp over dt equals to e dollar per unit, which is e equals to $2.72 per unit. Then to calculate for 2 years, which is 24 months, we just times the dp over dt with the 24. Then we got 65.65 and $28 per unit.
As a conclusion, this project has achieved its objective, which is the first one, to optimize the maximum profit that can be made by Apple, and second, to analyze the price drop of iPhone's price each year. So with this information, we hope that especially student, can reconsider in buying iPhone because the price is too expensive. But year after year, the price of iPhone decreasing. So the later the iPhone decrease, the smaller the price of an iPhone, because the price of the iPhone is very expensive. It is considered a bad habit of using money to buy the iPhone. Instead, student can buy other things such as books for their study. So that's all from us. Thank you.